Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Play Store forgot password. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google account recovery page. You'll need to enter the email address or phone number linked to your Play Store account. It's crucial to have access to your recovery phone or email, as this will be essential for verifying your identity in the upcoming steps. This process is straightforward and designed to help you regain access quickly. Once you've entered your account details, Google will present you with several options to verify your identity. You can choose to receive a 6-digit security code via text message on your recovery phone number. Another common method is to have the code sent to your recovery email address. Sometimes, you might even be able to verify directly from a trusted device where you are already signed in, making the process even smoother. Select the option that is most convenient for you. After successfully verifying your identity with the code, you will be directed to the new password creation screen. Here, it's vital to create a strong and unique password. Aim for a password that is at least 8 characters long, incorporating a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Please avoid using easily guessable information such as your birth date or common words. A robust password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. With your new password set, your Play Store account is now accessible. To further enhance your security, we highly recommend enabling 2-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, requiring a second verification step when you sign in. Also, make it a habit to regularly check your Google account security settings to ensure all your recovery information, like phone numbers and emails, is up to date. Finally, update your new password in any password managers you use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.